If Discord isn't launching or running properly on your PC, do not worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through multiple ways of trying to fix this issue. Since there isn't a one-size-fits-all way of fixing the problem, make sure that you follow every single step until you find the one that works for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's clear the cache, which often fixes 99% of people's problems. Open the Start menu and search for Run. Type %app data %, and then click OK. Inside this folder, locate your Discord folder. Once we're inside, we need to locate 3 separate folders: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. And we need to remove these. You can either individually select them, right click, and hit this trash icon, or you can hold Control and select all 3. If you get this issue saying that it can't complete the deletion, that means Discord is still running in the background. So all we need to do is press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, open Task Manager. Using this search box at the top, type in Discord, and then simply right click and end task. Once that's done, we will be able to delete these folders. If clearing the cache didn't work for you, the next step is running Discord as an administrator. Head down to the Start button again and search for Discord. Now what we want to do is right click and open file location. Once we're in this folder, right-click the Discord icon and then hit Properties. Click the Compatibility tab and then check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator, and then click Apply. Now, relaunch Discord and see if it's now working. If Discord is still not working, there could be corrupted Windows files that is stopping it from opening. If so, let's scan and repair them. Open the Start menu again and search for CMD. With this box open, type in sfc /scan now, and then press enter. If you get this message, we'll simply have to do it again, but we'll run it as an administrator. Now, if it worked correctly, you will see beginning system scan. This process will take some time. All you have to do is wait for the verification to be fully complete. Once the verification has been completed, if you did have a corrupted file, you will have this message here. However, if that didn't fix your issue, sometimes Windows Firewall will block Discord. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Once here, on the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click this top right button here to allow us to change the settings. And below this main box, we want to click Allow another app. And now we need to find where Discord was installed through this Browse button. Now, sometimes this can be a little bit tricky to find, so the easiest way of doing this is to go down to the Start menu again, search for Discord, right-click, and then click Open File Location. Once in this screen, click the very top here so we can select the file path, and then we can safely close this out. Next, head back over to Browse, and we can paste the file path that we copied. And here you can see we can safely click Discord. Once that's done, just click Add. And then we also want to ensure that both private and public are ticked. And then we hit OK. The final method will be a fresh restore. So if we head back down to the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs, once here, click the search box at the very top and search for Discord. Head over to the 3 dots to the right and then click Uninstall. Once that's uninstalled, head over to the official Discord website and download the most recent version and install it. Hopefully, one of these methods has fixed your Discord issue. If not, please comment below and I'll try my very best to see if I can help you out. That's all from me. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.